Have you ever been inconvenienced by having to plug your phone in just to get CarPlay to work, or dealt with a worn out and frayed cable? I was also tired of having to unplug my phone to go through the drive-thru and get a really expensive coffee. So I found a solution that may take our regular wired CarPlay and change it into wireless CarPlay. In the kit, you get this tiny little black box and a pretty short cable. We're gonna plug the cable into our CarPlay port, and we'll plug our little black box into our USB-C, and then this actually I'll tuck right up in here. I'll probably end up securing it at some point, but I wanna test it and make sure it works before we do that. Now we're gonna pair our phone to our little box here. It's gonna be searching for it probably at the bottom. It shows starting App Connect on the radio. Ooh, CarPlay detected a new device. Volkswagen 2F4D. All right, so I see that right here on my phone. Oop, unsuccessful pair. What? Trying to connect to my whole life here. Bluetooth request paired. Oh, there it goes. Allow CarPlay. Is it gonna work? I see me connected right here. Available. Oh, it works. Okay. Well, we can learn about what Bitcoin did, or we can pause it. And what else do we have? Oh, Dunkin' Donuts. Messages, let's see. Hey Siri, text Megan from Volkswagen. Hey Megan, when is my Mark 8 Golf R gonna be here? Question mark.
Your message to Megan says, hey Megan, when is my Mark 8 Golf R going to be here? Ready to send it?
Send it. Okay, so that worked pretty seamlessly. A little hiccup with the Bluetooth pairing, but that's actually super common on most of Bluetooth devices in my experience. Now the big test, how fast will it pair when I get out of the car and get back in? So let's try that. I'm getting out of the car. I'm keyless, touching the back door handle to lock the car. I'm unlocking the car. I'm opening the door. All right, so I'm in the car, door's open, ignition on. Let's see how fast it pairs. Okay, we're waiting. It's thinking about it. Auto connecting. All right, so it's a little slow on the initial connect. Honestly, probably no faster than it would take you to like pull the cable out and plug it into your phone. A little slower than I would prefer, but all in all, that's pretty awesome. Now, this little box was about 130 bucks on Amazon. I think there was a coupon to save 25 or whatever. I'll make sure I link it down for you guys in the description. The big reason I wasn't super into wireless CarPlay up to this point is that I really like to have my phone charging. So I figured if I was gonna plug the phone in, it didn't matter whether I plugged it in to just charge it or whether I plugged it in for CarPlay. Now that I've found a wireless CarPlay solution, I think our next step is going to be installing wireless charging in the little console here in front of the shifter. So we have wireless CarPlay and wireless charging. Okay, so that worked pretty good on my 19 Golf. It may work on plenty of other cars. You really wanna make sure that you look and make sure your car's compatible before you buy that thing and find out that it doesn't work. So links, as always, of course, are down in the description. With that, I'm out. Have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.
This is Audible.
A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away,